All right, so I've got a pretty significant clog here, and we are going to be trying out this Drano Max Gel. For the first time, we'll see how it goes. It says to put 16 ounces down the drain, then wait 15 to 30 minutes and let it flush it with hot water. As you can see, this is a pretty thick clog, so I'm definitely going to leave it in for the full 30 minutes, and we're going to see how it goes. All right, now that the water's drained, let's go ahead and pour in our first 16 ounces. It also actually says to pour in 1/8 of the bottle, and it's labeled for us in eighths here, so that makes it nice. Fortunately, it's hard to see just how much you're pouring in without stopping and turning to look at the bottle. All right. All right, so here we go, 30 minutes in. Let's see how this works. It's going to say, or it says to flush with hot water. Let's let that drain and see how it goes. So far, I'm not that impressed. All right, so we are going to try that again. This time I'm going to double the amount that I'm pouring down, and it also states in the instructions to repeat steps as necessary. So we're going to try round 2 here, 32 ounces for 30 minutes again, see if this does the trick. So I don't want to put it on full blast yet, but you can see that the drain is much better than it was the first round. It's starting to back up and bubble up a little bit, but that's fine. What ends up happening here is my camera died, and in the midst, or while it had been dead and I didn't realize it, I open and close the drain quite a few times. I just jiggle it back and forth, open and close, and it clears whatever last little bit of clog was in there. So if it's still slow for you after a couple rounds, try that. It absolutely did the trick.
So folks, we finally got it. I jiggled the handle, I jiggled the drain a little bit, and look at that. Full blast.